welcome back to my unboxing of lot number 2. So, like I said on the first one, I had technical difficulties on the first video I did, so I had to do a second one, and this is the third one. So this is the third box. Like I said, I already did these, but these are the cat ear headphones with speakers. These was number 2 on after those camera lenses. Pretty nice case it comes in. Looks like these are in excellent condition too. I don't see any broken in on there. Looks like the pads are definitely been worn, makeup or something on there, but no big deal. Clean those up. Let's see if I can turn these on. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't know how to work these. Anyways, right, left. Yeah, looks like, I mean, has the cords and mic and all that with that. So, I think these go for a pretty penny too. So, I can't wait to test these out and see what they go for. So, get them back in the box. There we go. So, like I said, I'll test those out more. Box doesn't look too bad, so good sign. So that's a good sign there on that one. Bluetooth keyboard case for the iPad Pro 9.7 and the iPad Air. So these are, looks like leather, whatever it is. Power cable, and yeah, there's the keyboard. Doesn't look too bad. Looks power's on. Is Bluetooth, so I have to test that out. I don't have an iPad or anything, so you can actually hook up your phone, your Android phone, on these and test it out if you had to. So that's, you know, you can do it that way if you don't have an iPad. So far so good. Some earphones. There's Samsung Level U Pro. With these, yeah, these earbuds. Really, they have been worn, so like I said, I have to test these out. There's all the, like I said, I have to test those out, but they look decent still. They look pretty good. Like I said, you know, most of the time they're shorted or whatever. Only one side works, or they're broken, or they've been used a lot. So, anyways, it's a good sign. I can probably sell those pretty good as long as they power on. 20-30 bucks on that. Quad dock for PlayStation 3 controllers. I think new. I don't think it's ever been opened. If I don't go for much, because PlayStation 3 is kind of out, but if I still eBay it off for like 10, 15, 20 bucks maybe. Yeah, alarm clock. Charging your mobile device with a alarm clock. Huh. Cool. Probably not much on that, $10–15. And the next item. Some ink cartridges. Looks open package. Now there's 4 in here. Supposed to be. What happened to the other 4? Well, I'll have to look through those, but there's supposed to be 4 of these. We got 2, so it looks like so far what I can see, these are factory sealed. Have an expiration date. I don't know what they are, so I'll look at that more. So I have to look find the other 2 too. Deluxe 3-piece sun observing and image kit. Interesting. There's a booklet. Oh, this is a booklet of the eclipse, August 21st. A couple months ago happened, but oh well, right? Well, looks like the only thing that was in there was glasses. Pretty nice little glasses. Yeah. The only problem is I can't see nothing. I can see nothing out of these. So you be blind or whatever with these. So anyways, so I'm probably not gonna sell these. I don't know. Well, I'll see what they're worth. They ain't worth nothing since the solar eclipse has already happened. So, oh well, not gonna make or break me. So, this one's a Nintendo Switch Pro controller. I think these go for, you know, $40–50. And there's the charging, and I don't think it's been opened. Yeah, it's been opened. But looks like it's brand new. Controller is a little bit dusty, but it's the lights on there trying to connect. I'll clean it up some, but it looks like it's you know, still working and all that, so it's a good sign. I don't know how I can test that out, but hey, it's alright. Oh, we got 2 things. The cell phone case, OtterBox Commuter Series case. Doesn't say, but it's for an iPhone. Not much. The compact stapler. See the little stapler. No, I don't know what this is. This is a Mag Part Apple MacBook Pro US layout. Looks like it's a circuit board for a replacement for the, I don't know. It's hard to say, but hard to tell. I'm not going to open it up yet. I don't even think that was on the manifest. It might have been, but not up there. Travel charger, Samsung, fast charger too. So might use that. What else next? An iBay LCD display touchscreen, digital touchscreen. A replacement for like a screen. Yeah, it's for an iPhone. I think it still works on that. I don't see any damage. Still not too bad. Probably what, $10, $15 for that. It might be an easy sell, or it might be a hard sell. Don't know. Anyways, moving on to the next one. All right. Oh. Hope it's not broken down. Yep. It's a charger for an iPhone. A little small cord. Not much on that. AAA batteries. 48 of them. Nice. Looks like they're brand new too. I don't even know them. Well, they've been cut open well. I'll use those. That's funny. What else is in here? Oh. Mouse. A Logitech little mouse. I'm gonna see if it has the dongle. A little cheap, but it does. And this has some AA on there. So, the dongle's in there. So, that's probably not worth much at all. But, oh well. Pop Solo Bluetooth karaoke microphone for, oh, you put your iPhone or phone on there and you can sing and all that karaoke. That's pretty cool. Let's see what this thing. Oh, looks pretty cool. Echo. Yeah, I'll have to charge it, but oh, there you go. You put your phone on there sideways. Cool. I didn't know what that was. So it doesn't look like it does have the charger. Yeah, it doesn't have the charger thing on there. Oh well. Like I said, you got plenty of those probably, so. Not disappointed in that one. Because literally I didn't know I had it on there on the manifest. Like I said, I've been on this real quick, so. And ended up winning it for a steal of $250. What's this thing? Backup camera monitoring kit. Oh, it's a backup camera. Cool. Definitely been used. Here's a wire. Oh, that's a plug it in. Let's see. There's a screen still on there, the plastic screen. But yeah, to test it out. Look, cool. That wasn't much, but we'll test it out. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, right? So, all right, backup camera. LG Tone Infinity headphones. There's get my big daddy Big Daddy stiletto out. Got that plastic. Cool. Oh, they're in there. They are in there. They're not used too much, I don't think. They were on, so probably they're dead unless they have a. I have to test those out and look. I know they only go for a little bit, but if not on eBay, I can sell it on Facebook or Let Go or offer it up. Oh, perfect. There's the other two the cartridges, ink cartridges. So I'll have to look those up. So I got 4 of them. Sweet. Only a few more items in here. It's the binoculars, Suncor binoculars, 10 by 50. And it looks like in the bag has the lanyards, and cleaning cloth, and all that. So that's a good sign. So looks like the glass is not broken or anything. Yeah, looks like they're pretty good. Sweet. I'm happy with those. I think those were up to like 60, 70 bucks or something like that. So I can sell those on either eBay or Amazon. Because I can sell on Amazon too, so as long as they're not restricted or anything. So that's good. You can sell those. I have some other ones that are even not as good as these that are go like 60 bucks. So those would probably go a little more. I think so. So it's a good one there. Next one is a Linksys. Looks probably like a Cisco factory refurbished Linksys, like a router. So, yeah, that's a router. Yeah. Looks brand new. As long as it like powers up, it has a power cord in here and Ethernet cord. Here's the power cord. I guess as long as it powers up, it works good, right? Cool. Some good stuff here. I don't know, probably 20, 30 bucks in that. We got a whole bunch of vinyl here. Arcade Fire. Everything Now. Looks like Everything Now day version. So I have to look that up. The record, I do believe. It feels like it's in there. The room here. Next one. Right there. Stormfront, Billy Joel. It's in there too. Yep, Billy Joel. 180 gram. The vinyl. So it's another record. Who's this? Paul Simon Graceland. There's records in there. I have to look at those more. 25th anniversary edition. Is that in there? Yeah, it's in there. It's Over the Rhine, Blood Orange and Snow record. Like I said, I have to look at these all. Vince Joe, Dream, a lot of vinyl. This one's really nice. I have no clue. It's like maybe a double. I don't know. I'm not into records, but I definitely sell them. I had a record before, so this one's in the package. Crack Up. Never heard of that. I have no clue. So another vinyl record there. So out of the two boxes, I have a lot to list, and looks like I have some good stuff to sell. So hopefully everything works from here on, and I get my money back. And hopefully you guys are buying lots and selling like I am. If you have any questions, anything, you know, always contact me on YouTube. I don't have anything Facebook or anything yet on that, but you can always contact me on YouTube, and I'll get to you as fast as I can. I always have my phone, so I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and from your redneck hustler here, I'm going to be hustling.